may tumutulong sa 18. Latest SB19 Billboard Fan Army Face-Off 2025 Quarterfinals Update. As of August 6, 5:30 p.m., SB19 has 66.3% against Shabuzi 33.7%. Now, kung may nagtutulungan para pabagsakin ang SB19 at 18, well, may tumutulong din sa atin para may panalo ito. And this is the AHOF fans or the nameless fandom. Ever since JL participated in the Universe League, 18 has been openly supporting him and his group. And since then, fandom of SB19 and AHOF have been collaborating in voting and streaming. At ngayon ay bumoboto din sila sa SB19 sa Billboard Fan Army Face-Off 2025. And with this, Nameless can expect na andito rin tayo kung kailangan nila ng tulong. Now 18, we still have 5 days before quarterfinals end at marami pang pwedeng mangyari kaya ibagsak na ang lahat. Tandaan na ipanalo natin ito noon, maipapanalo din natin ito ngayon.